Hey folks, just a quick video today. I've got a couple of special edition Leonhart cards. So taking a look at the overhead, we've got a signed Leonhart card and one of his energy cards. Now these were in a charity pack that he put out just a few months ago. Unfortunately, they were sold out almost immediately. I didn't get one of the boxes. I only bought these secondhand online. But what I've decided to do is, because I couldn't get the box for charity directly, I've went ahead and made a purchase on NAMI.org, which is the National Alliance for Mental Illness. This is the charity that he had made the boxes for and what he was donating the proceeds to. So I've went ahead and made a donation as well, just because why not? It's a good cause. And like I said, I got these cards secondhand from a reseller, but you know, out of the spirit of the whole thing, I've went ahead and made the donation. So yeah, these are really cool. It was nice to get a hold of a few of them, and that's it. I will see you next time.